Okay guys, I'm just going to show you very quickly how you can input some videos into, some images into your Google Maps, both from the web and from your own photographs. And it's a really easy process and it won't take long, so just watch this video carefully and you won't have any difficulty in doing it. Okay, so first of all, let's just see how you create an image in Google Maps. I'm going to stick with Google Maps Classic to create a map here, so I'm just going to click that, and you'll see that if I drag the place marker down anywhere onto the map, then it's going to offer me room for some description of what the place marker is. If you go to rich text, you'll see that there's a little picture over on the right hand side that allows you to input the URL to an image. And that's an important thing about using images in Google Maps. You have to use a URL, and the URL has to have .jpg at the end of it, and I'll explain to you why right now. So first of all, I'm going to go to Google Images, and I'm going to find an image that we can upload to the map so you can see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to look for a dog, a swimming pool. Right, now you see this image here where my mouse is. If I click on that, I want to be able to put that image in here. To be able to do that, I need to go to the original image, and you'll see at the end of the URL that there is a .jpg. What that means is that the URL or the web address is going to an actual file. So it can be .jpg, .png, or any kind of file extension, but it has to have that at the end. Otherwise, you're not grabbing the image, you're grabbing a web page and it won't work. So make sure when you're looking for an image on the web that you have the image extension at the end of the URL. So I'm going to grab this, I'm going to copy, and I'm going to go back to my Google Map. And I'm going to go here to the upload image and press paste. And then if I press OK, there you can see that my image is there. So if I press OK and save, done. And then if I look at my my place marker, there's the image. So it's a very, very simple process. If you want to upload your own images, you're going to have to post your images that you've taken with your camera or with your phone. Then you're going to have to post those images to the web. And that's a really easy process. There's lots of different photo sharing tools that will allow you to do that. The one that I recommend if you don't already have your own service, and you're free to use your own service of course, is PhotoBucket, because PhotoBucket will give you the URL that you need with the .jpg extension. So just sign up for PhotoBucket. It's free. And it's extremely easy to upload files. I'm not going to show you how to do it because it's a very kind of self-explanatory process. But what I am going to do is I am going to click on an image that I put into the PhotoBucket service. And if you see over here, there is a link button, and if I press the link button, it's going to give me a number of different options to put the images into to share the image. The first one, email and IM, does have .jpg over here, but it also has another extension beyond that, so don't pick that one. The one that you want to use is direct, right? Because if you look at the end of the URL, it's got .jpg. So copy that one just simply by clicking it, and then go back into your map, and you can open up your place marker. I'm just going to edit it. And you can put your cursor down where you want to put your image. I can put some text in here, and then below that put the image. Again, go to the little insert image button and press paste, and then you'll see the PhotoBucket URL come up, and press OK, and there you go. The image has been placed into the place marker. So if I press OK and I pressed save and done, and if I look at my image marker, there you'll see we have two dogs in a swimming pool. And really it's as simple as that. The two things that you really need to be mindful of when you're editing your Google Map and you want to put in images, that one, there needs to be a URL. In other words, the image needs to be on the web, and you can grab the image from either a photo site such as Google Images or some other site, or you can upload your own image to a photo sharing service. And the second thing that you have to remember is that you need the .jpg at the end of the URL, right? So that means that you're grabbing the link to the file and not to the web page. Once you've got those things, then you should have absolutely no problem in inputting your image into the map.